Nowadays, bathroom fittings come in a beautiful range that is both elegant and glittery. However, maintaining their shine and glow can be very difficult due to calcium buildup and water quality. Hotels, luxury homes, corporate offices, hospitals, and institutions often struggle to keep their toilet fittings clean and shiny. Cleaning bathroom fitting can be cumbersome and may damage the surface layer. Introducing Urban Tidy Tap and Shower Cleaner, an eco-friendly, easy-to-use cleaning chemical. Urban Tidy Tap and Shower Cleaner effectively removes hard water stains and limescale. It is perfect for cleaning taps, showers, wash basins, sinks, bathtubs, fixtures, and all bathroom surfaces, ensuring a sparkling clean every time. Now, let's watch a live demo to see how effectively Urban Tidy Tap and Shower Cleaner works. Even the best bathrooms can look a bit tired when fixtures and shower heads get covered in calcium and water spots that seem impossible to remove. Behind closed doors, a secret struggle unfolds, grime and stains threatening to dull the sparkle of elegant fittings. But what if you could restore brilliance to your bathroom with ease? Introducing Urban Tidy, the ultimate cleaning solution specifically designed to tackle tough bathroom grime, leaving your fixtures and fittings shining like new. Now let's carefully watch how the manual cleaning process is being done using Urban Tidy. Step 1. Simply spray Urban Tidy on the affected area. Step 2. Scrub after 2 minutes for optimal results. Step 3. Wipe off with a wet cloth to reveal a radiant shine. Don't let grime dull your bathroom's brilliance. Choose Urban Tidy for effortless cleaning and a radiant shine. Our eco-friendly green cleaning solution tackles tough stains, leaving your fixtures sparkling and your bathroom fresh. Experience the power of sparkling cleanliness with Urban Tidy and make your bathroom shine like new. Urban Tidy Tap and Shower Cleaner is trusted by many big institutions. Do you want to try Urban Tidy Tap and Shower Cleaner at your institution? Call us now to schedule a trial appointment.